Friends, today for social studies we are going to be learning about Ruby Bridges. So I'm just going to read a little bit about Ruby and then you guys are going to watch a video and do an assignment. Ruby Nell Bridges Hall, born on September 8, 1954, is an American activist. She is known for being the first Black child to attend an all-white elementary school in the South. She went to William Frantz Elementary School. In her early life, she was born in Tylertown, Mississippi, to Avon and Lucille Bridges. When she was 4 years old, the family moved to New Orleans, Louisiana. In 1960, she was 6 years old. Her parents allowed her to participate into the integration of New Orleans school system. Integration. In a 1954 decision, Brown v. Board of Education, the U.S. Supreme Court made racial segregation against the law. Ruby was chosen to attend the all-white William Frantz Elementary School. The school board said Black children could attend the first grade if they passed a test. Bridges passed the test. On her first day of school, 4 U.S. Marshals had to go with her to school. Angry crowds of parents shouted threats at her. For the next 6 months, the Marshals took her to and from school. People tried to hurt her family. Her father lost his job, and her grandparents were thrown off their farm in Georgia. Ruby never missed a day of school. The story of her going to an all-white school is the subject of a Norman Rockwell painting called The Problem We All Live With. Now, I'm not going to read the adult life part yet. Today, you guys are going to watch a video of Ruby Bridges, and you're going to see some pictures, some images from when she was growing up and when she was integrating into the William Frantz Elementary School. And then you guys are going to tell me something that you learned from the video, or tell me how the video made you feel.